We all know Kuwait has faced two major fire incidents in the past few days. We all are deeply saddened by the loss. So, while some incidents are uncontrollable, but preventive measures that make huge differences. So, here is the 5 essential tips to prevent these fire incidents and protect your loved ones. The first one is install smoke alarms in each and every room and each and every facility, and test it monthly and make sure it is working properly. Be mindful about the electrical appliances, unplug when not in use, and never ever overload power sockets. Create an escape plan from your facility, from your room, and practice it with your team. Always store flammable material such as gasoline and cleaning steps away from the heat sources. Make sure the fire extinguisher is always accessible, and ensure your loved ones knows how to use this fire extinguisher properly.